Hey, it's Internet Adam.
And Craig here at Bowling Green Chevrolet. And Adam, what are we going to talk about now?
Look, we've got a 2013 GMC. This is one of the big ones here, the 3/4 ton. What kind of engine is that got in it?
It's got the 6.6 diesel, and you know what? It's coupled with the Allison 6-speed transmission. I mean, you talk about a vehicle ready to tow, this one's it. It even has the integrated trailer brake controller in it, remote vehicle start, and guess what?
What?
It's even got a Bose sound system.
Oh, great. That's not common in all of these.
Oh, you know better than that. It's one owner and no accidents in this vehicle.
It looks pretty clean. It looks like it was well taken care of.
Very well taken care of. It's leather. You know, this is a great family vehicle. It's a great towing vehicle. It is clean, folks.
It's looking like that leather is nice, easy to wipe down everything, looks good. Gosh, you can usually tell a lot of these trucks are beat up, but this one certainly is not.
No, even comes with Bluetooth. Can you imagine that, being able to pair your phone, hands-free calling?
Gosh, anything to make life easier nowadays is
Absolutely.
great.
And it's a great color white, easy to keep clean.
See you at Bowling Green Chevy.